This your mama? Turn it up. Said to myself, said, it's just a crazy, crazy, crazy little myself day. It's just a victim of society on the stage. Bridge, y'all. Where I come from, the society tells how it's supposed to be. Our clothes, our hair, we don't care. It's all about being there. Come on, y'all. Everybody going uptown. Where I wanna be. Uptown. Setting my life around. Uptown. Get my body happy. Get down. Come on, y'all. Turn up, y'all. Come on, open that hi-hat. Come on. Hey. Bring it down. Bring it down. Bring it down. Bring it down. Hey. Clap your hands. Soon as we got there, good times rolling. Follow me. White, black, Puerto Rican, everybody just a freaking. Good times rolling. She saw us dancing in the street. Crowd, she just got mad. You know, she even made love to me. Ooh, that's as good I ever had. Oh yeah, I was into the stranger. Time is sorry. Build it up, y'all. She got me hot. I didn't stop. Good time we're rolling all night, yeah. Where I come from, we don't give a damn. We do whatever we please. Ain't got no downtown, no about everybody drag. All about being free. Everybody going uptown. Where you wanna be? Uptown. You can set your mind free. Uptown. Get my body. Get down. I don't wanna stop now. Ow. Clap your hands, somebody. Clap your hand. Clap your hand. Clap your hand, somebody. Clap your hand. Clap your hand. Clap your hand, somebody. Clap your hands. Clap your hand. Clap your hand, somebody. Come on. Come on. Hey, 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 hey. Come on, y'all. Get my body going. Oh, yeah. Going uptown. Everybody going. Everybody going. Everybody going. Got the uptown. Stay right there. Everybody going uptown. Uptown. Yeah. Everybody going uptown. Right here, y'all. Follow me. Uptown. How y'all feel out there? You feel alright? It's a little weird right now, isn't it? We all locked up in our homes, in cages. It's kind of weird, right? Yeah. Let's get it, y'all. Let's do it. I was only 16, I guess that's no excuse. My sister was 32 and living it loose. She don't wear no underwear. She only kissing the hair.
And it's got a funny way of stopping the juice.
sexuality. Show me where I'm supposed to go. No time doesn't mean no.
Insistence, everything is said to be.
Oh, sister, I'm picking on the street again. Oh, sister, I just wanna be a friend. I was only 16 and only half a man. My sister didn't give a goddamn. She only wanted to turn me out. She ain't gonna really be our show.
Oh, motherfucker, just a motherfucker, can't you understand?
Ooh, oh, sister, get me on the street again. Oh, sister, I just wanna be a friend. Only what I want to do, must be and make me do. Oh, sister, oh, sister, oh. Can I do a little bit?
Get it, Antonio. Let's get it.
Somebody say they wanna play. They don't really know my groove. If you intrigue, I must believe I will destroy you. There's so much hate around, going around this town. Turn up in this motherfucker. Come on, outside. I can't die. I won't die. I feel my nature too. I can't die. Yeah, I won't die. I'll get you. Listen, I was crazy, going out of my brain. Who the fuck you think he is? A rock singing man. Yeah, your girl love me, and yeah, she wanna fuck. Next time I see you in my inbox, you better turn this motherfucker out. I can't lie, I won't lie. I feel my nature too. I can't lie, I won't lie. You got a little bit more. Y'all feel good? Let me hear you say yeah. Yeah, 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 brown skin is the new light skin.
Hey! Y'all ready to party, baby? Antonio, I think they ready to party.
Party? Party?
Yeah.
What you got?
Hey. Ooh,
Clap your hands, y'all. Y'all.
party too, baby. Oh, revolutionary rock and roll, blowing up time, baby. Oh, how you gonna make me kill somebody I don't even know?
Better get some. It's fucking wild. It's such a fucking wild party, yo.
Party up.
To the floor, time to party up, babe.
Stay right there. Stay right there. There you go. Can we go there? Bring it down. Baby, what's your phone number? Know you like it fast, but you don't waste time. Baby, what's your phone number? Take me to the phone. Turn it around the hill. Ow! Play like you want to play. Come on, play like you asked you. To the top. Open that hi-hat up. Open that hi-hat up. Come on. Give me that shit. Give me all that. Turn it up. 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 Don't chicken grease. That chicken grease. That chicken grease. 2 times.
Bassman, 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 bassman.
You're gonna have to fight your own damn war, 'cause we don't wanna fight no more. Say,
you're gonna have to fight your own damn war, 'cause we don't wanna fight no more. You're gonna have to fight your own
we
don't wanna fight
we don't
no
wanna fight
more.
no more.
We don't wanna fight no
No, 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 no.
One, turn up. Come on.
fight no
Oh, gonna have to fight your own damn war. 'Cause we don't wanna fight no more. Gonna have to fight, gonna have to fight, gonna have to fight, gonna have to fight, gonna have to fight your own damn war.
Wanna be your man, baby. Ow, ow, ow. Said I wanna be your man, baby. Ow, ow, ow.
Wanna be your man, baby.
Follow me to the floor, y'all. To the floor. How y'all feel out there? We like funky music. Y'all sing with me. We like funky music. Say, we like funky music. Yeah,
We like funky music.
see that.
We like funky music.
I'm not doing.
We like funky music.
Stay right there. We
like funky music.
no.
We like funky music.
Said I've been watching you.
Hey,
People wanna know you. I'm a little dangerous. Follow me, girl. I wanna show ya. Turn up.
I know that
my
part.
jungle love. Hey, oh we are. People wanna know ya. Follow me. People wanna show ya.
Show ya.
Hey. Sir, don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. Keep drunk. This me. Sexy dancer. I want your body. Want your body. Sexy dancer. Dance. Sexy dancer. I want your body. Want your body. Can y'all get some? Turn up, y'all. Dancer. I want your body. Want your body. Dancer. Dance. Dancer. I want your body, want your body. 2 times out. 2 times, come on. 2 times, come on. 2 times, y'all. Give me 5.
Hey.
Y'all wanna go home? Matter of fact, do you wanna go to bed?
Hell no.
Do you wanna go to bed? Get your ass up, come on. Touch the burn, don't pump the bone. Get that touch the burn, don't pump the
He gonna
bone.
go to in my hair.
Come on, Prince.
He wants to go to in my hair.
Come on, Prince.
Watch him.
Gonna be beautiful, gonna be a beautiful night. I got your eye together, everything's going alright. Everything's got to follow. First to be the one, and then from the down to sorrow. I'm gonna be, come on. Gonna be beautiful, gonna be a beautiful night. Gonna be a beautiful, gonna be a beautiful night. Gonna be a beautiful, gonna be a beautiful night. Gonna be a beautiful. Everybody wave your hand like you just don't care. Somebody, somebody, make noise. Somebody, somebody, make noise. Hey! I see you, Craig. Alfonso Star. Know what you are. Come on. Hey. Yeah. Wanna fight your own damn one. We don't wanna fight no more. Wanna have to fight your own damn one. On the one, y'all. On the one.
Y'all sure? Y'all done? Bring back one more time.
Say yeah. Say
Best man, follow me. Whole thing. We'll stay right there. She's always, always in my hair. She's always, always in my hair. She's always, always in my hair. She's always, oh yeah. Whenever I feel like giving up, whenever my sunshine turns to rain, whenever my hopes and dreams aim in the wrong direction, start that. She's there, always there. Yeah, says she's always, always in my hair. Says she's always, always in my hair. Says she's always, 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 always, kick, hair. So she's always, yeah, always in my hair. So she's always, always, always in my hair. So she's always, always, always in my hair. So she's always, always.
What? Hey, yo, give it up for H-Town's finest. H-Town's finest. Featuring our local, our brother for real, recording artist, Antonio Eyes. Take the mic, bro. Let them know how they can find you. Your CDs are out. They can get them right now while they hot. Hey, buy a CD, yo, for real. Like, for real. Support. Buy a CD. He gonna run it down to you right now. Take the mic, Antonio. It's yours.
Yo, let me catch my breath. So, the album I have out right now is called The Second Coming. You can get it on iTunes, Spotify, and also I have it to where you can get physical copies as well for $25. Oh yeah, shit, it's hot. So, I got a new album coming out too, October 31st. Yeah, it's gonna be some craziness. So, I want to thank you for having me. CA, Prince Day Hugh.
No, shout out, let them know all your social media outlets, how they can find you, everything. We need everything, bro.
Cool. I'm actually you can find me on Facebook at Antonio I. I'm on Instagram as well at I am Antonio Eyes. And then Twitter, shit, it's hot. I am Antonio Eyes again. Yeah, just look for me.
How do you spell eyes?
Eyes, E-Y-E-Z, Antonio, A-N-T-O-N-I-O, E-Y-E-Z. It's hot as...
Once again, give it up.
Thank you.
Y'all heard him. Y'all heard his credentials. You know where to find him. Go follow him right now. More importantly, support independent artists. He's the man.
Everywhere. All of those things.
All over the place. But
even my black child wear the shirts as well.
Everything. Go to the website. Give him the website.
Oh, this is actually everything is on Facebook.
Facebook.
Black God Child Wear. You can follow that page right now, and I'll just order whatever you want.
One more time. Give him the page.
Black God Child Wear, and you can find it on Facebook as well, and Instagram as well too.
Word. So I know y'all liked what you saw, like what you heard. What we do in Houston is all based upon us giving back. We do not take Prince's name in vain, for what that's worth. So we appreciate those who have given through Eventbrite, who have given via PayPal and other outlets. We cannot support these local artists. We cannot support our efforts to continue Prince's legacy and educate those who need to be educated on Dr. Brother Prince Rogers Nelson. So if you don't mind, if you haven't given already, or if you have, maybe you can give some more. The PayPal is simply PayPal me, Prince Day HOU. So do a search for PayPal me, Prince Day HOU. Cash App, likewise, $ PDHOU. I think Roger's making it big on the screen right now. You can see it. It's flashing in your face. It's in your face. It's in your face. So if you don't mind, give. Give again if you've already given, because we need it. These local artists need it during these difficult times. These venues need it during these difficult times. So we're using our platform to celebrate our big brother P, to also show love to individuals like Roger Ramirez at R&R Studio. You may be watching through YouTube. Please make sure you subscribe and follow him on his other social media outlets, because we have continuous live music coming from this spectacular place right here in H-Town, Houston, Texas. I'm going to shout out to Martell myself, because I just feel the need to. Phenomenal job, brother. Phenomenal job.
Thank you.
Pleasure's been mine, and we got, ain't nothing but a muffin. We got a lot of butter to go.
Can I do a plug?
Yeah, you do your thing. Everybody finna get their chance, do their thing. We family.
Oh, God, no, please.
Oh, now?
Please, no.
Right now, brother.
Oh, yeah. Follow me on IG at Martell Lacey. Martell.Lacey on IG. And the website is martellacey.com. That is MARTELL.LACY I have some music out. I have 6 singles out. You guys look me up. I'm on all digital platforms. And my videos are on YouTube. So just check me out. Follow me. I say hey back. Show some love, and I got some love for you too.
And that says what? That says you better follow Martell Lacey, man. That's my man's in them. I'm going to let Mr. Drumhead himself do the honors of introducing the rest of the band. I know y'all enjoyed their extreme talents tonight. Give it up for H-Town's finest right now. H-Town's finest.
What up,
y'all speak up. Marvin, you got it.
Yo, what up, Houston? I hope y'all doing all right. Shout out to all the beautiful people out there supporting us in this beautiful thing. So, pressing forth with the legacy of Prince Roger Nelson. Rest well. We'll keep your name and your music alive. All right, without further ado, I'm gonna make it short and sweet. Right here on guitar, right in front of me, my good brother. Y'all show your love for Mr. Jimmy.
Yes, sir.
You know what I mean? Amazing
yes,
guitarist,
sir.
Songwriter, producer, upcoming project coming out. I'm honored to work with him on that. Right here to my right-hand man, Mr. Adam Jones, y'all.
Bass
right
man,
bass,
walk downtown.
Man. So one of the young guys, man, I feel the need to just try to, do my best to uplift him and push him forward. Right here, y'all already been introduced to Antonio I, man.
Yeah.
Y'all already know.
The homie,
humble.
H-Town's finest.
Right here to my left, he needs really no introduction, man. Like, this cat is amazing. Like, he's always pushing me to be greater. He's always encouraging me to be better. Man, we have a lot of beautiful things we're working on with Houston artists and other people. Y'all please show your love for the one and only Mr. Joshua Henderson.
Yes,
man.
sir, on keys.
Amazing producer, man. Y'all look out for his. Y'all go and support his record, man.
Yeah.
Hey,
Josh Hall, man.
give Josh the mic. Let him know how they can
Hey,
find
Josh,
you.
go ahead, man. Go ahead. Tell them where they can find you, Josh.
Go ahead,
You
Mike.
can find me on Instagram at Josh Hendog, and you can look up my record. It's on iTunes. Top Ramen Beat Tape. Check it out. Let me know what you think.
And while we on it, let's go back and let Jimmy let them know where they can find you, bro.
What's a plug, Jim?
Y'all can find me on Facebook as Jimmy Banks Jr. Real simple. On Instagram, it's JC Guitar Man. All one word, no lowercase, no uppercase. It don't matter. Just one word, JC Guitar Man. I'll be releasing my EP coming up in January, so y'all stay tuned for that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Back to Adam.
We gotta let Adam.
Adam got to get his.
Yes, sirski. How y'all feeling? It's beautiful. Don't get it misconstrued. You can catch me on Instagram at Feeling Light Myself. That's Feeling LYT Myself. Make sure y'all go stream Social Distancing by Harley. That's me on the bass.
Yes, sir. Hey, and I know we did it last, but definitely not least. They really should have been first. Last shall be first. That's how we see it. Last shall be first.
Right. So I ain't forgot. So y'all see these two beautiful ladies right here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is Lady Candy right here.
Yeah.
And this is Lady Crystal right here.
Yes, ma'am.
These are the most amazing two of the most hidden gems that in Houston. So y'all be on the lookout. We have beautiful things coming for Lady Candy and Lady Crystal.
True indeed.
Hopefully you'll see this band coming together to do some beautiful shows with them, along with supporting my boy Martell and along with Antonio. Y'all already know who I am. I'm Go DJ Mr. Drumhead on Instagram, on whatever. Y'all can Google me. It's easy to find me. I have a clothing line called Throsia Couture. It made 20 years on 4th of July this past year. I have an album and a documentary, A Drummer's Life, coming out soon. Featuring my boy Josh. I can't leave him out. So, man, y'all, and it'll be featuring Adam too and Jimmy. So, y'all stay focused. Look out. You know what I mean? And I gotta send a special shout out to my cuz, man. My big cuz, bro. Like, he stay on me. He pushes me. He put his foot on my neck, y'all, to make sure I'm great, bro. I'm great.
Dog in me. It's the
you
Q dog.
already know. So shout out to the QQs, man.
Nothing but the dog in me.
So,
shout out to the Qs.
Yes, sir.
Omega Theta Chapter, University of Houston.
Yeah.
We got 50 years coming up November the 11th. Rue to the Klondike Qs.
Yeah.
Hey, Qs. Yeah. Oh, anyway.
Shout out to R&R Studios, man.
Roger. Yes, sir.
You know, shout out to my boy Roger, man. He's always looking out.
Thank
we
you,
appreciate
Roger.
you. We love you, Roger. So,
Always, every time.
Dr. Fink, wherever you at, man. Dr. Fink, wherever you at. I hope we represented you guys well. We're doing our best to put our best foot forward and give all we have in our soul, mind, and heart to music. And shout out to all the Revolution Band out there. So we're gonna sign off with this. Craig.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it. One more time for H-Town's finest. Y'all know what it is.
Yeah.
Follow their platforms. Support their endeavors. Dope artists, dope music in the dopest city. H-Town, baby. I want to bring two of the behind.